You can create animated video using ChatGPT and Canva. Okay, and it's free. So first of all, you're going to come to your ChatGPT and then you're going to write out this prompt. Create a gentle, child-friendly animal main character story with 5 short scenes, each having a calm narration, like a bedtime story style. So just send this to ChatGPT and it's going to give us the story. It can give you a different one. Story titled Timo the Little Turtle. So it can give you this. First, we're going to copy the narration, the image prompt, sorry, the image prompt. So it gives us both narration and image prompt. You can see scene 1, scene 2, up to scene 5. All right. So we copied the image prompt and then we came here to Canva, to the Canva app. This is the Canva app. I'm going to tap on video. As you can see, video, it will bring this up, and then you can go with landscape video or the normal portrait video. That's mobile video. So I'm going to go with the mobile video depending on the app you want to upload the video on. So it will bring us here. So these are children bedtime story, the templates that you can also use, but for us we're going to be starting from the scratch. So this is our design area, okay, and this is the for the video, the length of the video here, that's 5 seconds, but of course you can increase the length of the video. So now what I'm doing is I'm duplicating the page. I'm going to duplicate this page to up to five times. Okay, so I'm just making sure that the pages are up to 5. Okay, so once I'm done with that, I'm going to go to my Magic Media. Magic Media is the Canva AI where we're going to generate images using the prompt that we copied from ChatGPT. Okay, so ChatGPT generated the prompt for us and then we copied it and we're going to paste it here. So now we can see square there. So there's square, there's landscape, there's portrait. So we're going to make use of portrait depending on the one you chose from the beginning. Okay, so I'm just going to paste my the text that I copied, and then there's styles there, so you can choose any of the styles. Okay, choose any of it and then you're good to go. So now I'm just going to go back and then generate the image. So I'm just going to tap on generate images. Okay, generate images. So now this image is going to generate for us. So can you see the image is generated for us? Okay, so up to 3. So I'm just going to be selecting one of the image. Okay, I'll select one of the image and then to bring me back here, and what I'm just going to do is I'm going to adjust this image. Okay, so I'm just going to adjust the image. All right, okay, so I've adjusted the image. So this is what I'm going to be doing this for all of the other 5 pages. Okay, so I'll copy the prompt of ChatGPT, the second image scene, copy it and then come and paste again. Like, okay, so look at this one, I copied again, I'll come and paste here, generate image and then fix it on the other side. So that's what I kept doing till I was able to generate all of them. Okay, so this for the second the second side of the video, the second part of the video, the second scene. Okay, so till the last you keep on doing this. So this is how it looks. Okay, so this is the how the video looks currently. All right, so I'm just playing it for you to take a look at it. Then for here we're going to be going for the narration. It has to need narration, right? So for that, go to your audio. Okay, they said add audio. Go to your audio and then search for, we're going to be generating AI voice. You can see record voiceover, generate AI voice. So you can record your voice or you can generate AI voice. Here we have Lisa and we have Ralph. So we're going to be going with the girl. Okay, we are going to be using the female voice. So this is the narration, and I just pasted there and then started generating the AI voice. Okay, so it has generated for us, and I will just.
The stars twinkled above, and Timo whispered, "What a big, beautiful day." With a happy heart, he tucked into his shell and
So this is the voice. So this is it. I'm just going to be 523. Arranging it where I want it to be. Arranging the voice over. Okay, arranging the voice over, dragging the video. Okay, so that it will match the voice over. All right, so that's what I'm just doing. Oh, I'm just editing it. Okay, so this is it. This is me just adjusting and making sure it goes well.
he loved the cool water and soft lily pads, but today he felt curious about the world beyond. Slowly, Timo climbed onto the grassy bank. A butterfly fluttered past, its wings shining like tiny.
Okay, so that's voiceover. You can hear it. So now I'll go to to animate. I want to animate the image. Okay, the images. So I'll go to animate, and then let me see which one we're going to choose. So there are different options to choose from. There are different options to choose from. I'm going to go with one of zoom, photo zoom. So let's see. So I'll go with photo zoom, and yes, this is what we're going to go with. So photo zoom. Okay, so this is me playing it. Can you see? So this is really lovely. Now I'll go to elements. Here in element, I'm going to search for sparkling star. Here I'm going to search for sparkling stars. Okay, sparkling stars. Let's see what is going to give us. Sparkling stars. Let's see what is going to give us. Okay, so this is it. It's loading. So I'm going to tap on graphics instead of all. I'll tap on graphics and see stars. See this one that are sparkling, the white one there, the white ones there. So I'm just going to choose one of them. Okay, so this one I chose. All right, so this is it. I'm just going to adjust it, and then I'm going to also change the color of the stars. I want it to be yellow. I want the stars to be yellow, so I'm going to change the color of the stars to yellow. All right, so this is it, and then I'm going to adjust the stars. Okay, can you see what I'm doing? I'm going to adjust the stars, and we are good to go. We are good to go. All right, so this is it. Okay, all right. So now I'm going to go to audio again. Here in audio, I'm going to get the background music. A background music, like when it's telling the story, there should be background music playing, right? So I'm going to look for a background music on go to audio and look for background music. Remember, you can also generate your own music, right? But we're just going to be using one of the Canva music here. So I've gotten one of the Canva music here, and we're going to be using it. After that, you're through, and then you download your video. Okay, so that's all about your animated video. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.